Here are 3 elderly gardening hacks. First up, a lush rose method. I might get fired for leaking this, but in this video, I will cover how to grow vibrant, lush, deep red roses without breaking your back or the bank. Now, what most people don't realize is that those expensive bottles of Miracle Grow, they are just overpriced chemicals. Now this fertilizer, it's much cheaper. It's easy to make and use, great for elderly gardening. It's 100% non-toxic, industrial strength, but natural and simple. Start with 3 liters of pure water. Tap is best. It contains trace minerals and is cheaper. Now for the catalyst. This makes everything much more potent. 6 heaped tablespoons of baking soda. Now for the part that feeds the soil, acting as a catalyst. For the catalyst, 5 heaped tablespoons of white sugar. And here's the secret ingredient. A crack of black pepper, full of good stuff, and antifungal. Now for a hack 2, secret fertilizer for the lawn. Do you want the lawn to look like a golf course, but it looks patchy, brown and disappointing? Don't want to spend hundreds on overseeding, just for it to kill it even more? Well, here's a cheap method that works. Originating from 1870s, lost in the past. Containing macronutrients. First ingredient is salt. Table salt, not Epsom. Epsom will react with the next ingredient. Add 7 heaped tablespoons baking soda. It contains proteins used for building chlorophyll, which leads to a lush deep green color. Next, add optionally a pinch of baking powder. It boosts growth speed, but isn't vital. Works without it, but this was part of the method. Next up, the big one. Grandma's method works like a charm. The secret weed killer method. This is a secret method to kill weeds. Using a common fertilizer. Incredibly cheap. You wouldn't guess the price. £10 for 250 litres, once diluted to a sensible ratio. Now I know what you are thinking.
Apex, this stuff must be weak for that price.
No, it is actually Roundup level if used right. Now here's the ratio. It is very sensitive. Listen closely. Any more, and they won't drink it. Any less, and it's feeding them. Now, what's the ingredient? It's liquid seaweed concentrate, 10 milliliters per liter of water. Yes, that's literally it. Just a perfectly overloaded amount of seaweed.